DWS is a downhole tool manufacturer, and we run out our tools through two product lines. Power Glide is a friction reduction tool, and then the Ripstick is an anti-stall, anti-stick slip tool. I think the biggest thing that stood out as far as choosing RigER was they're able to customize a software or platform that could specifically handle our needs. The team over at RigER really sat down and listened to what our needs were and then develop a platform that would be tailored to that.
I'm one of the managing partners here. My primary focus is on engineering and facilities, kind of drive the new innovation within the company as well as oversee the service quality of the products being deployed. It was just crazy the amount of paperwork that we had, and my desk was just completely cluttered with it, so it was quite refreshing to see a lot of that go away once we implemented RigER.
So my name is Cole Curry. I'm the Vice President of Engineering at DWS. RigER does a great job of keeping up with all the data that's in and out of this shop. Everything from measurements on components to getting the run data back from the customer and entering that in for use on the back end. As far as data analytics and user interface and customizability, it's second to none.
So I'm one of the managing partners here at DWS, specifically over operations. We ramped up at such a hyper growth mode that to be able to have RigER to track our assets just played a huge part in our growth and where we are today.
Definitely recommend RigER. During the implementation process, it was really refreshing to see how the management team of RigER had a really good understanding of our current operations and general oil field operations. It really made it for a very quick and easy implementation process.
The platform has been able to allow us to do things that we didn't even know was possible with a standard ERP system. So just the customization that they brought to the table for us has been awesome.
We've gone through with the RigER team back and forth constantly over the past 6 months and updated existing reports, added new spreadsheet tracking in the system, added new systems in place, safety systems. So there's constant involvement, constant improvement in the system, and their customer service as far as updating their software is second to none.